Man, people dey like, works up. I dey vex for Nigerian government. I dey paro for them because intimidation wey I get this afternoon from these mocking people because of this color, e dey make me dey craze for Nigerian government. Nigerian government, if una no change, Ayinla go kill una. Ayinla go kill una. If una no change, we no go pray for una again. Na cause go dey cause una. Make God punish all of una. The one that take there. The one that take up put our people for suffer for this Europe. God go punish all of una. Because if not be una, people like me no suppose enter road. No go kill una. See, if una don't change the 2019, we dey come home. We wan come fight una. Even though na blood, we go use our blood fight una. I'm busy. Here, una here, even though na our blood, now we wan spray for the country, for we not to pass this intimidation. If una get this, we wanna pass and give them. Say 2019, we dey come home. We wan come fight. We wan come fight them because violence take it by force. Una don't take our rights. Una don't take am and don't hold us strong. Come on, boss. Now I want to enter yours now. Come on, boss. Because I be black man. Because I be black man. That boss not carry me. I was only one he boss later. He call me back. He see me say a black man. He not carry me. What's the level? Intimidation never reach the Nigerian government. I don't want make our people better. I don't go spend our money for us. Our own money. We want to spend that for us. Our own money. Not be una own. Not be una papa o. Una here. Not be una papa o. If una not change, they'll go kill una. All of una go die. If from una generation, not go see them for Nigeria again. The one that they rule that country, one that they turn outside down. Where we say our youth, they call the vet, they call the enter road, go the die for road. Many youths don't condemn. Even for here where we dey, many youths they suffer, they die. Intimidation everywhere. Nigerian government, if una not change, I gotta go kill all of una now here. All of una not go see here though. Una generation, una pop pikin when I go for Europe, when I go for America, they go school. When I live una children, una live people children for suffer. See, if una not change, 2019, we dey come home. All the youth in Europe, we will go home. We'll go fight for our home. Make our home peaceful. Now our youth not dey die. Game not dey pass intimidation. The one who dey for Europe na suffering and smiling. No level for us. We dey suffer. Where we go fit talk, we no go fit talk. Because if we talk small, they go say go home. I come from station now. I dey report for police station. No, the police tell me say go home. Go home. She go let me go home. She go let me go home. Eh? If when you talk small for Europe, or if go tell you say go home. Go home. Really, if you not too good, like their country, if you not like that, go home. Then we get home. We get home, Nigerian government. Una give us home. More than leave the Biafra when they come up. It's too much for una. If una don't want to repair the country, more than leave those people when they come up. Who knows say go join there, go join there. Who knows say not go join there, go live there. Nigerian government, more than leave una, more than spend our money for us. Now our money not be una own. Una come inside for there. Now God that give us those wealth, those resources. Now God that give us. Make una spend am for us, Nigerian government. Our government, our people they die for Europe. Our people they die for Asia. Our people they die for India. Our people they die for America. Our people they die for everywhere. South Africa, Niger, Cotonou, Duruku. People they die. Our people they die. We are not be lepers. Oku go kill na una not change o. Una not change. Oku go kill na our Nigerian government. Any government official will not change. Even though my brother dey there, my uncle dey there, my papa dey there, I rather go kill all of una when I tell the trouble our money. See, I can't do this video down now. Nigerian government, if we are not changed, 2019, anybody 30 years old, in fact, 40 years old cannot rule us again because if they don't move on, football forever, and they go be. See them, they'll carry, they won't get anything, they'll come abroad, they'll go treat them. They'll carry VIP, they'll carry first class flight. When people dey there, they die. People dey there, they die. More than not change. More than not change. As I dey vex so, more than not change. More than not change. More than say, now God go demolish our family. Anything when I pull, that babalawo wey dey do about una, the babalawo go die for una head before una reach that shrine. Una hear? More than this one na way, na white pass, na beg grow. Hold me wey no dey shame. Hold me wey dey teach small pikin right. All those who don't know wey dey teach small pikin right. Or go kill all of una this afternoon. Una die by motor accident. I go station, me I go report. Wetin police, wetin they do me? They say go back to your country if you don't like here. I don't like here, me I go my country. Abi, na truth. I don't like am go my country, but I get country where I wan go. Una not use our own country take out una house, una apply heaven. No go kill una. Because I'm picking up the pass we dey pass through. Una generation of pass we dey pass through. Now I don't like kill una this afternoon. More than die, the one I not expect. The one that they put that country to nonsense. Or go kill all of una, the one I not expect. Now yeah, boys with talent, they don't be stay home. They enter desert because of una. Boys with talent, boys with glory. Cause they chop intimidation for here. When we say man, people they don't wait need our happiness to keep them. Because of una stupidity, una nonsense, una selfishness. You have put billions of people for trouble. You have put billions of people for grave. Blood sucker, vampire government on a Nigerian government. You are vampire, you are idiot.